everybody. I'm back with another Mythbusters from Sharp Auto Body. So, I'd like to start with explaining what the initials DRP stands for. DRP stands for Direct Repair Program. A DRP, or Direct Repair Program, is when there's a relationship between a body shop and an insurance company. And what happens is, in this agreement, the insurance company is telling the body shop, the insurance company's over here, they're telling the body shop that we're going to send our clients to you. And the body shop says, in return, if you send your clients to us, we're going to give you concessions, discounts, savings, blah, 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 blah. And we won't charge for certain things, or we won't do certain things. So a DRP is really set up, and the insurance companies enter into these because they're really set up for the insurance company to save money. They also make body shop owners very lazy, because then the body shop owner doesn't have to go market and promote his business because the insurance company is automatically doing that for them. And so when the insurance company sends them this work, then that's why they're so eager to give the insurance company a discount and a big savings on the repairs. So the myth is that the insurance company is telling you where to go, and that's a good idea for you. Well, I'm going to bust that myth, because I just explained this body shop is doing these repairs at a discount. The only thing the insurance company is after is repairing that vehicle as cheap as possible for the least amount of money. The body shop is figuring out now, how do they make money on this job where they've already given up a bunch of profit. In the body shop industry, the average is 10% nationwide in net profit, meaning after a body shop pays all its bills, it's only got 10% left. So if you're a body shop and you've given the insurance company this discount, you've given away your profit. And so what are you going to do on this repair? You're going to look to get it done as fast as possible, as cheap as possible, and get it out the door so that you can get to the next job that's going to make you more money. Or you're going to not do things on this repair so that you can try and make some money, because you've given your profit to the insurance company because they're already automatically sending you work. Now, so it's a myth. If the insurance company is telling you where to go, it is not in your best interest. It's in the best interest of the insurance company. And this is because the insurance company is driven by one thing. They're driven to hold the cost of the repairs down. I'm going to do a live video this coming week about how bad that is and what we do to protect and fight for our clients. So with all that being said, I'd also like to remind you one more time that this thing here, where the insurance company is telling you to go to a specific shop, that's called steering, and it's a federal offense. It is against the law, illegal, like a sick bird, illegal. It's against the law for this insurance company to tell you where to go. That doesn't stop them from doing it. They do it all the time. But I want you to realize that they're doing this, and the myth that the insurance company is looking out for you and helping you is not true. They're looking out for them and the cheapest repair price so that they can save money on that repair, not a quality repair or a safe repair for you. So if you know somebody that's in this situation, please pass this video to your family and friends, co-workers, relatives, the people you love, because when they're being told to go to a specific shop, that's not in their best interest. That's in the insurance company's best interest. So hope you got some value out of this video. Have a great week, and we'll see you soon.